Love catching up on Married at First Sight or NRL action, but find yourself overseas and unable to access 9Now? No worries. Today, I'm here to guide you on how to watch 9Now outside Australia in 60 seconds. Let's dive in. 9Now, Australia's go-to free streaming platform courtesy of the 9 Network. Here, you can dive into a treasure trove of live TV and on-demand content from top channels like Channel 9, 9Go, 9Gem, 9Life, and 9Rush. Get ready to immerse yourself in popular shows such as Married at First Sight, 60 Minutes, and thrilling sports action like NRL, tennis, and more. 9Now is your one-stop destination for endless entertainment, all completely free thanks to those occasional ads. Whether you're catching up on your favorite series or embarking on a journey to discover new ones, 9Now has you covered with full seasons and exclusive content. Ready to unlock 9Now from beyond the Australian borders? Whether you're traveling abroad or simply want to enjoy 9Now from anywhere in the world, a VPN is your secret weapon to seamlessly switch your IP address to Australia and dive into your favorite shows hassle-free. Let's get you set up in a few simple steps. To begin, click the link in the description to download and install the UFO VPN app on your computer or mobile device. Once installed, fire up UFO VPN and navigate to the location settings. Scroll through the options to locate Australia, then select a server to connect to. After the connection is established, verify that your IP address has successfully switched. Now, head over to the 9Now website and kick back as you stream your favorite content freely and securely from anywhere in the world. Get ready to enjoy your 9Now experience without any geographical restrictions. Wondering why UFO VPN is your go-to choice for streaming? Let's break it down. First, expansive server network. With over 2,000 servers globally, UFO VPN breaks down barriers, granting you unrestricted access to diverse content worldwide, effortlessly sidestepping regional restrictions. Second, top-tier security. Military-grade encryption and a staunch no-logs policy fortify UFO VPN as a secure haven for your sensitive data. Your passwords, financial information, and personal details are safeguarded from prying eyes, ensuring utmost privacy. Third, speed and reliability. Bid farewell to lags and buffering. UFO VPN's speed test feature ensures you're always connected to the fastest server, guaranteeing smooth gameplay, seamless streaming, and eliminating pesky internet slowdowns. Last but not least, comprehensive features. UFO VPN doesn't stop there. Features like the kill switch, ad blocker, and split tunneling enhance your online escapades with additional layers of security and privacy, elevating your streaming and browsing experience to new heights. That's all. Grab UFO VPN now to unblock 9Now anywhere and enjoy your streaming easily and freely. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.